Okay, welcome back. Now if you notice, the sample is completely dry. It's nice and dry. You can see somewhat of the movements. Adding the color wash is going to show a lot more movement. Basically is 1 part latte de cace and like 3 parts water.
This one is Faze though.
Faze. Basically you're going to use a sponge. You're just going to dip it in there. Or I always say, sin miedo, don't be scared, just slap it in there and just start putting it on, always in circular motions, or follow the movement of the texture that you did with the Marmorino. Be careful with the drips. If it starts dripping, you want to wipe that off right away, because if not you'll get a drip mark. So you're basically just slapping it on, nice and smooth. So basically the Marmorino is absorbing all this Fazo with the tin in it. So this is like a lime wash type of deal. And doing this, it shows a lot more of the texture that we did underneath. It pronounces it a lot more.
That's actually very pretty.
It's a beautiful technique. Remember, it's basically a 2-coat process and then the color wash on top. And you can have this outside of your house. You have people coming knocking on your door asking you what this is. Basically, that's done. It's finito. I'm going to maybe dry it a little bit just for you to see how it looks when it's dry. So if you notice on the top, it's starting to look dirty, and the darker spots is the parts that only have 1 coat of the Venetian. So this color, the color of the Marmorino KS is basically KS 510 Firenze color, and then the color wash we did it to a nice dark brown.
Now if you want it deeper, what'd you do?
Yeah, if you want it deeper, what you could do is you actually put another coat of the Faze. Let's say it starts drying and you want it to look more dirty, or your customer's not happy. You just go on and put another coat on it. Just slap it on. And this would make it a little bit darker, and it would just basically make it a little bit more deeper. And they're not happy with that, you got another coat on it, or a different color of Faze on top of it. You could do like a type of full finishing on it, basically.
What's nice about the Faze too, it's a sealer, so it's actually sealing the lime. It's making it kind of water resistant and dirt resistant, so it's very, very durable, especially for exterior.
And basically that is how to bring an exterior project to life.
Thank you, Gian.